Trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. So Trackies, our young guns, Tia Clayton, Serena Cole, and Crystal slowly took to the women's 100 meters at the meet in Brazzale. And Trackies, they completely dominated. Now in heat 1, Serena Cole came up and she won that heat, running 11.58 seconds to qualify for the finals. In heat 2, Tia Clayton took that win, running 11.47 seconds to qualify for the finals. Tia Clayton came up in heat 3 and she won her heat as well, running 11.52 seconds to qualify for the finals. Crystal slowly came up in heat 4 and of course she also won and qualified, running 11.51 seconds to head into the finals. Now the finals, of course, it's clear that it would be amongst these Jamaican four to see who would snatch that win, and they did not disappoint. Tia Clayton came out with the win, running 11.23 seconds for a new meeting record. She finished ahead of Crystal Slowly, who placed second, and she ran 11.27 seconds. In third place was Tia Clayton, and she ran 11.32 seconds, and Serena Cole rounded out the Jamaican top four, running 11.47 seconds. Anyway, Trackies, that's it for the latest, update from the meet in Brazzale. Sound off in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. Like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in a next one. Bye.